Hello, welcome to A VO's Journey. I am back today to talk about the No Fakes Act. Super excited. This is the legislation that's just come out in the last week about combating AI, and I think it's a big win for all of us. And hopefully, it's going to continue to move forward. And this is the first, I think, big win for us, and I just want to chat a little bit. We had a person in the comments yesterday, whatever, asked if we would if I would speak about the No Fakes Act, and I'm thrilled to do it. I've actually got the legislation up here. It's just a couple pages, but basically the whole thing. It's called the No Fakes Act, but the reality is it's actually the Nurture Originals, Foster Art, and Keep Entertainment Safe Act of 2023, or the No Fakes Act of 2023. And this is around the image, voice, and visual likeness rights, okay? And basically, it all kind of boils down to the production of a digital replica without consent of the applicable individual or the rights holder. Okay, and if someone takes a digital replica, right, your image, your voice, your likeness, etc., and they use that without your consent, okay, then they will be held for civil liability, and you can sue the pants off of them. Also, it goes on further to say that after you pass away, then your heirs, your estate or whatever, has the right up to 70 years afterwards to that digital likeness without people being able to do it. There are some exclusions, but that's they're not really part of what we're talking about here. So this is a huge win, I believe, for the voiceover industry, and it's a beginning. I do want to point out the fact that the No Fakes Act of 2023 is exactly the direction that we need to go in. It's something that the part of what SAG-AFTRA has been fighting for, and the unions and all of us in the art world have been fighting for. And this is a good thing, a good start. I do want to point out, though, no matter what law is on the books, it will not protect you against bad actors, though, right? I mean, if someone wants to go out there and steal your work, there's no law that's going to stop them, because they're doing something illegal anyways. You know what I'm saying? And the only reason I bring that up is because this is important for our protections, but it's also important at the same time that you protect yourself, right? By, being upfront about what is the work that you're doing being used for, making sure that you use, the client you're working with signs like a writer, something like a contract, something like from Nava, right? The AI writer, things like that. You're making sure that you are being aware of what they're planning on using it from, and asking them and following up. It's important, and not making it easy, just super easy for anyone to get your work. I mean, that last one is hard, because the reality is we have to get our work out there, and we need to put our work so people see it. But and I think that moving forward, we can't be afraid of it, because the reality is that that fear will stop us from networking and sharing and things like that. But we can be smart about it. So I just want to point out that this is a really exciting thing, the No Fakes Act. And again, it deals with the production of a digital replica without consent of the applicable individual or rights holder. One thing I want to point out about that, it says or rights holder. That's important, because if you go into a contract with someone and you do a voiceover for them, and you do not have some sort of information in that contract that says you are not allowed to use this for AI, they become the rights holder, especially if they've bought the rights from you, okay, which you then lose your ability to do that. So this is great because it's defined. You just need to make sure you know what all this means. I think it's you can go to Gov, I think, and find this. This was actually given to me from a VO's Journey Elite conference. This past weekend we got this. This is just a draft, but it's a good, it's only a couple pages, but it gets right to the heart of all of this. So I really think this is a great move forward, and it's a great beginning for the protections of us, but you still have to be vigilant, and you still have to make sure that you're having people sign, right, some sort of addendum or a rider in your contracts that make sure right up front that they're not allowed to use your work, because that will just negate any of your worries from a legality standpoint. But the other part is that, unfortunately, if there's bad actors out there, they're going to take your stuff anyways. But this is a good start, and we needed this. This is a bipartisan, so I'm very excited, and I think that this will just continue through and hopefully become law. So thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Also, we'd love to have you come and check out. We're running a special now for VO's Journey Elite Academy. Help you start, grow your voiceover business, and if you're also a seasoned voice actor, we have a lot of tools for you to move on to those next levels and get that acting training that you're looking for, the marketing training that you're looking for as well. So check out the link below. We're offering 50% off first month. Talk to you guys later. Goodbye.